Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and I'm going to make some quick batch birthday cards today. Now this is my panel box. This used to be a chocolate box from Christmas a few years ago, and the box was just so gorgeous I had to keep it, but I store a bunch of pre-made panels in it. And to start, I'll show you the cards. Here are the 5 cards that I'm going to make for you today using all pre-batched items. So I'm just going to show you my method with time-saving tips and tricks. And a lot of that is honestly just having the stuff on hand. Now, if you have anything like this, this was actually a whole card front, but I don't know, messed up the inside or something, so I just cut off the front. But either way, if you're like me and like to try all different techniques, but don't necessarily turn them all into cards right away, you probably have some sort of collection of card panels lying around. So that's what this box is to me. Some of them are stamped and colored. Some, like that first one, was made of washi tape. I have embossed. I have layered stenciling. I have all sorts of techniques here over the years that some get turned into cards right away and some end up in this box for future use. So just kind of flipping through, I have a bunch of vellum ones here and some that looks like it's heat embossed and probably a liquid watercolor marker, tons of them. But the reason I need these today is we tend to do group birthdays on one of our sides of the family, and in July there are a ton of birthdays. So I needed a bunch of birthday cards quickly. And this is really a good way to save time if you want to batch a bunch of cards. So maybe you just want to beef up your stash. Maybe you're donating. Maybe you want to give them as a gift for somebody. Either way, just think in terms of the ways that you can save time. Now, I cut the panels down with some of them with that stitched edge rectangle die. I have card bases. There I'm showing you my critter book. I didn't mean to grab that. I do store my critter stamped, or my stamped and colored and die cut out critters as well, which is another time saving tip. But this is actually my sentiment book. So those big happy birthday dies, those are from Lawn Fun. I have some of those cut out, but these are baseball card pocket protector sheets. This is another way that I save time. When I get a new die, or if I'm not feeling particularly inspired, I'll just kind of add to this book. Or if I cut out extras, I'll add to this book, because this way I can just kind of grab whatever I need on demand and be able to finish cards quickly without having to stop in the middle of the process and go die cut something. Now, if that's your jam and the way you create, more power to you. I don't have the attention span or the patience to craft like that. I want to be productive. I want to get a bunch of stuff made, but still have fun. I just don't want to spend, too long doing it. That's just my personal preference. Now here, this is how I store all my sentiment strips. So the majority of those are tailored expressions. Those storage boxes that hold all of them are also tailored expressions, but I am using some tailored expressions boxes on some other simple strips. So there's other ones out there that are kind of in strip form, and you can absolutely use those boxes for that as well. So I'm just popping that first one on the front with a piece of thin foam strip that I get from Amazon, and then I'm putting a second one on the inside on this particular card. And these are just white heat embossed on black cardstock. Here I'm just showing you a little tip. If you get little die fuzzies, grab some of your low tack tape, maybe mint tape or washi tape, and just kind of use that to get those little die cut fuzzies off. So here I have all my sentiments attached. I have all the panels attached to card bases. They're all US A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And now one of my favorite parts, I get to add my card bling. So this is all card bling from A Colorful Life Designs. You can get it in the shop, and you can use my coupon and save money. So use the coupon AmyFan10 at checkout, and you can save on your complete order at that shop. So just kind of going through and picking which ones I want. I'm just showing you all the pretty colors. There's so many beautiful colors in the shop now, but basically it's just kind of attaching all the pieces parts and figuring out the embellishment. That, like I said, was already previously a card that had some resin droplets on it, but I have these die cuts that were ready to go. That one, Celebrate one, was out of pattern paper. This, I just added some simple strips. So that's going to finish these 5 cards that I needed in a snap. So save yourself some time. Do these components kind of as you're in the mood. Don't feel like you need to finish a card. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.